Sunshine, sea breeze, and a whole lot of sparkle. This is Benidorm, like you've never seen it before. I'm hitting the streets in style, pink hair and all, because mobility can be bold, bright, and totally fabulous. Welcome to my world. Let's ride.
Don't get conned by this, guys. One of the biggest scams. Just be careful, guys. It's a scam, it's a con. You can't win. There they are. Scum of the earth, taking money off innocent people. Please don't get involved in it, guys. Total scumbags. Anyway, let's go and see what's happening up in town today. Is it busy or will it be quiet today? The city bar is busy. As you can see, there's a lot of people out walking. A lot more people on the beach in this area as well. You can see it's really busy up here this evening. A lot of people have come out to eat or just have a drink on what has been a very hot Friday here in Benidorm. Beautiful Benidorm, lots of different people. Benidorm is very diverse, doesn't discriminate against anybody. Makes your hand ache mine filming like this. Lots of beautiful people coming out in the evening air. You know, anyone who says Benidorm is quiet, I don't think so somehow. This is mental. And we have someone there dressed up as Mickey Mouse. That's great. I think his head's slipping maybe. I bet he's hot in that.